channel. My name is Karen and this is another vlog, but today we are doing something different. We are cooking. It's a short video, but I wanted to keep you guys posted. Like before then, I want to thank you guys so much for supporting my channel, subscribing, sharing, commenting. Like, I've seen the progress and I can rate on my side, we are doing fine. Yeah, so make sure you like, share and subscribe. If you've not watched my previous videos, make sure you go back and watch them so that you can be updated, or you can keep up with us, keep up with me. Yeah, so without doing much or without talking much, let's go to my kitchen area. Yeah, my space is small, but I have my kitchen area there, so let's go straight there. The first step was just covering my hair because we don't need those hair strands in our food there. So let's do this.
So these are my ingredients and I'll take you through a quick tour of what I'll be using, and these are the basic things which you can find at your nearest supermarket at a very friendly cost. So I have my sausages. These are the normal sausages, but I'll teach you guys how to craft them into a long sausage, or the hot dog sausage, the long one. Yeah, so for the onions, I'm using white onions. I have 4 pieces with me here. Then I have my buns. I love this brand, the Festive brand, because they have sliced buns, so that spares you the cost of just slicing them. Salt, black pepper for seasoning. This brings the chili effect in our onions. Soy sauce for seasoning. Then these are the toppings which we'll use at the end of it. I have the normal tomato sauce and the choma sauce. You can also add the mustard for your convenience, or if you like. And so before we bake our food, remember we have to wash our hands with soap and running water. Then I'll just go straight to chopping my onions, and I'm gonna chop them into some big size pieces, so that once they cook down, they don't over shrink, or they don't just be very small. So I've slightly heated my pan and I'll go in with some generous amount of oil. Then I'll put in my onions. Then I'll add salt to taste, black pepper and soy sauce. Those are the only spices that I'm using. And guys, as I told you, I'm using black pepper to bring the chili effect. Soy sauce is to bring the color and the taste itself. And then I'll let them cook for like 30 minutes under very low heat. So as we let our onions cook, we'll come and start preparing our sausages. So the part that connect each other is the part that we really work on this. Just unfold it very carefully to avoid splitting away the sausage. But first you have to measure the size of your bun, and then go in and measure the size of your sausages so that they be in correct size with each other. Then the next step will be massaging one of the sausage into that extra space so that it become one. And just do this very carefully, because when doing my part, the second roll, I did break one of the sausage, so I used half of the sausages. So massage them gently and make sure you give them a perfect shape. once I'm done preparing my sausages, I'll boil them for like 10 minutes and then I can roast them on my pan. This is to ensure that they are cooked, like they have cooked well inside. So here our onions are ready. Just look at that. Awesome, and they were tasting really nice. So everything is now well cooked, and I'll go in to open my bun. Start with the onions, so just arrange them nicely, and then put my sausage. Then you'll add your sauce, and here you can now use the sauces you like. It's not a must to use what I'm using. You can use mustard, you can use any sauce of your choice. So my hot dogs are ready, and this is it. A very simple recipe which you need to try it out. Let me know what you think about that recipe on the comment section down below. And guys, it's time to dig in, and let me tell you, I give it a 9. I give it a 9 out of 10, and it was so yummy. I really enjoyed it. And guys, we have come to the end of the video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also make sure you rate this video.